Good morning and welcome on board this good ship Hans Christian Andersen. Our very skilled captain's name is Henrik and my name is Sylvia. I'm your guide. God formiddag og velkommen ombord på det gode skib her hos Andersen. Vores navn hedder Henrik og mit navn er Sylvia og jeg er jeres guide. On this tour we are having two stops. We are also stopping at the Parliament. But if you got on here is where you're getting off in about 1 hour. So we're having some more guests on at the Parliament. There you just stay seated and the tour will continue afterwards. Vi har 2 stop på turen her, men hvis I lige står på her i Nyhavn, så er det her, I står ind igen om en times tid. Vi stopper også og samler gæster op ved Christiansborg. Her skal I bare blive siddende, og så fortsætter turen bagefter. We are sailing under bridges on this tour. Many of those are very low, so it's important you stay seated under every bridge if you're outside. Det er meget vigtigt, at man bliver siddende under alle broerne her, fordi de sejler under en del broer, og mange af dem er lave. Så hvis man er udenfor, så skal man sætte sig ned under alle broerne. Smoking is not allowed on board, but it is allowed to enjoy the tour. Det er ikke tilladt at ryge ombord, men nyd endelig turen. So this canal we're sailing in is called Nyhavn, New Harbor. And already first bridge is coming up. Stay seated here, thank you. Allerede så nu kommer den første bro på den siddende. Vi sejler under Nyhavnsbroen nu. Tak. Thank you. And this canal Nyhavn was not always here. It was dug out about 350 years ago because the Danish king, King Christian V, wanted the ships being able to sail all the way into King's Newswar with goods. And then he ordered his soldiers to dig out this canal, and it took about 2 years with shovels and manpower. Kanalen Nyhavn her blev gravet ud for ca. 350 år siden. Den var her ikke før, at kong Christian V gerne ville have et skibe, skulle kunne sejle hele vejen ind til Kongens Nytorv med varer. Så han fik sine soldater til at grave kanalen ud her. Det tog cirka 2 år med skovler og armkræfter at gøre det. In the old days, this area was a very rough neighborhood with murky sailors, pubs, ladies of the night, and it was not a safe place to move around in. But today, as you can see, it's quite pleasantly peaceful to come here at Nyhavn. Tidligere der var Nyhavn et ret barsk kvarter med skumle sømandsbeværtning og glædespiger, og det var ikke særligt sikkert sted at bevæge sig rundt i, men det er heldigvis ganske anderledes fredeligt i dag. To your left-hand side come a new part of the Royal Theatre, the Royal Playhouse, and it opened in 2008 with the famous play of William Shakespeare, Hamlet. Til venstre er skuespillerhuset, der åbnede i 2008 med en forestilling af Shakespeare, nemlig Hamlet. And Hamlet takes place at the Danish castle Kronborg, and that castle you can visit 50 kilometers north of Copenhagen in the town of Helsingør. Som I nok ved, så foregår Hamlet på Kronborg Slot, der ligger blot 50 km her nord for København i Helsingør. On your right hand side now is coming an island we're calling the Paper Island. Originally it was called Christiansholm, but it got the name Paper Island because for many years this was a place where they stored paper for the